A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are good. First of all, congratulations and welcome to grade 4. I am Debaparna ma'am here and I am here to guide you maths in this new academic session, that is 2021. So without wasting time, we will start our new chapter.
This is your new textbook for Standard 4th. Hope you all will enjoy maths in this new academic session. Let's begin the first chapter, Building with Bricks. In this chapter, we will learn about the structure of brick, concept of different shapes, brick pattern, and mirror hubs. Now we will learn about the bricks and its uses. Here you can see the picture of bricks. Now students, do you know what is a brick? Okay, a brick is a building material made up of clay. It is used to make walls, pavements, and other elements in masonry constructions. You can see different shapes like wall, well, buildings, which are made up of bricks. Now I will explain about the structure of a brick. The structure of a brick is cuboid in shape. Now the question is, what is cuboid? Well, a cuboid is a solid shape having 6 rectangular faces. That means a cuboid or a brick is having 6 rectangular faces. Brick is also having 8 vertices and 12 edges. Now we will learn about different shapes. In the first picture, the structure is known as triangle. Tri means 3. The closed figure having 3 sides is known as a triangle. Students, do you know what is a closed figure? Well, a closed figure is a figure which starts and ends at the same point. The next figure is quadrilateral, where you can see 4 sides. That means a closed figure which is having 4 sides is known as a quadrilateral. Next picture is a pentagon. Penta means 5. The closed figure having 5 sides is known as a pentagon. Now you can see the hexagon. It is also a closed figure as its starting and the ending points are same. In the hexagon, you can see the 6 sides. That means the closed figure having 6 sides is known as hexagon. Next figure is circle. The round shape like a ring. It is also a closed figure and also a curved in shape. That means a circle is a closed and carved shape. In your daily life, you can see the coin, wheel. Those are the examples of circle. Last figure shows the oval shape. Here in this picture, you cannot see any corner. It is carved and somewhat round in shape. Oval is also a closed figure as it starts and ends at a same point. Now you can see that there are some examples of oval shape. The shape of an egg is an example of oval shape. Now turn the page number 1. This is Jagriti's story. Her school is in Murshidabad, West Bengal. When the building was being made, the masons planned to make the brick patterns for the walls and the floor. So they went to see Murshid Quli Khan's tomb. In page number 1 and 2, you can see 5 floor patterns. Now look at the question. The first one is, which floor pattern do you like the most? Okay, out of these 5 patterns, I like the pattern 1 most. But if you like any other patterns, you can write by your own choice. The second one is, have you seen such patterns anywhere? Yes, I have seen such patterns in my hometown. So you can write like this. We have learned about the mirror hubs. The second question was, in which pattern can you show the mirror hubs and draw a line? Okay, I can see the pattern B, H and I shows the mirror hubs. If I will draw the line in the middle of the figure will divide into 2 equal halves. That means the figures B, H and I shows the mirror half. The patterns which are same on the both sides of a line is called mirror hubs. Here you can see some structures. A line is drawn in the structure. Now you find out where the line divides the structure into 2 equal halves. See, in the first 2 figures, the line divides the structure into 2 equal halves, where in figure 3, the line does not divide the structure into 2 equal halves. Now you will try to find out the structures which shows the mirror half. The last question is, now you draw some new floor patterns. Students, you will find it very interesting. I know you all are having excellent drawing skill. So you can make some floor patterns by your own choice. Students, now I will stop my today's teaching session over here. We will continue the rest of the chapter in the next lecture. Hope you have understood. Now go through the session and revise it. Thank you.